Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to supercharge your daily English conversations. We'll learn some incredibly useful sentences that you can start using right away. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First up, a simple but powerful phrase. Could you do me a favor? This is a polite way to ask for help. For instance, if you're struggling with heavy bags, you could say, "Excuse me, could you do me a favor and hold the door open for me?" See, very polite and effective. Next, when you don't understand something, instead of just saying what, try, "I'm sorry, I don't quite get it," or "Could you explain that one more time?" For example, if a friend is explaining a new game, you can say, "I'm sorry, I don't quite get the rules. Could you explain that one more time?" This shows you're engaged and want to understand. How about making plans? A great phrase is, "What are you up to this weekend?" It's a casual and friendly way to ask about someone's plans. You might follow up with, "I was thinking of going to the new cafe downtown. Would you be interested in joining?" It's a perfect conversation starter. Another useful one is, "Let me think about it." This gives you time to consider a request or an offer. If your boss suggests a new project, you can reply, "That sounds interesting. Let me think about it and I'll get back to you by the end of the day." It sounds professional and gives you space to decide. When you agree with someone, you can say, "That's a good point," or "I couldn't agree more." Imagine you're in a meeting and a colleague says, "I think we need more time for this project." You could respond with, "That's a good point. Quality is more important than speed." This builds rapport and shows you're listening. And finally, a great way to end a conversation. "It was great catching up with you." Let's say you bump into an old friend at the supermarket. After a short chat, you can say, "Well, I've got to run, but it was great catching up with you. Let's talk again soon." It's warm, friendly, and a perfect way to say goodbye. There you have it. 6 everyday sentences to make your English sound more natural and fluent. Try using them this week and see the difference it makes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.